Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and doing well. In this video, we will do simplification of fractions in a very easy way. We have to do nothing but to apply only BODMAS, nothing else. Okay, let us start our first question, which is 7 by 9 multiply by, this is a mixed fraction, 1 and 1 by 5. 1 whole part and 1 by 5th, and we have to divide it by 9 by 15. First of all, here we have to use BODMAS. All of you know what is BODMAS. BOD means bracket. If there are bracket, then we have to open brackets, then off, like this. If there is something like this off, then we have to put only multiplication sign instead of this off. Then it's division, then multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, we have to follow these 6 things only, nothing else, and we have to follow this step by step solve करेंगे हम इसको. This is 7 by 9. First of all, we have to change this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Like this, we have to multiply this. 5 ones are 5, then add this numerator. 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 1 is 6y5, denominator as it is. Then we have to change this division sign into multiplication sign. Then we have to take the reciprocal of the next fraction. We will write 9 by 15 to 15 by 9 by changing its sign. Sign change करना है. Then you have to check here common GCD of numerator and denominator. If there are numbers to be cancelled. This is 6 and 9. GCD of 6 and 9 is 3. Both of they occur in the table of 3. So we will cut this with 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Then again this 3. 15 can be cancelled with this 3. So 3 1s are 3. 3 5 was 15. So what are the numbers left in the numerator? 7, 2 and here 5, and in denominators there is 1, there is 5 and there is 9. Okay, then we will multiply these numbers. This 5 can be cancelled. 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. What is left now? In numerator we are left with 7 and 2, so multiply 7 and 2, and in denominator we are left with only 1 and 9, so which is 9. So further it can be written into the mixed fractions. This is improper fraction, numerator is greater than its denominator, so it can be written in the form of mixed fraction. 9 ones are 9 and 9 plus 5 is 14. So this was its answer. So let's move to next question, which is 4 by 7. Write this as it is. First of all, here this is division sign only and brackets. First of all, we have to solve the fractions given in the brackets. So write this sign as it is. बाकी as it is ही लिखेंगे. Now solve this by taking its LCM. First of all, change this into mixed fraction into improper. This is 9 by 7. 7 1 7 plus 2 9. Minus 3 by 14 as it is. Now we will take the LCM of the numbers given inside. This will remain same. So take the LCM of 7 and 14. So 7 and 14. 7 2s are 14. So LCM is the greater number. एक ही table में आ रहे हैं दोनों. Both are occurring in the same table. So GCD is 7. So their LCM is 14. So now divide this 14 by 7. 7 2s are 14. Multiply 9 into 2. Minus 14 1s are 14. Multiply 3 by 1. So we are left with this. Change this sign into multiplication sign. So what is inside? 9 2s are 18. 18 minus 3 is, I will write it here. 9 2s are 18. 18 minus 3 is 15 by 14. Did you get it? 9 2s are 18, 3 1s are 3, and 18 minus 3 is 15 by 14. Now after changing this sign to multiplication, we will take the reciprocal of the next fraction. So this is our answer. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So 4 2s are 8 by 15. This is the answer of this question. Now let's move to our third part. So which is, first of all, you have to change the fractions, these mixed fractions into improper fractions. 5 4s are 20. This is 21 by 4 minus 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 3 is 51 by 8. Then off. Change this off to multiply. Okay. Now we have to solve the number inside the brackets. सबसे पहले हमें इसे solve करना है. So their LCM is, denominators are same. So LCM is 5. Both denominators are 5. So add the numerators as it is. When denominators are same, we will add the numerators as it is. So in next step, we will do this multiplication. We can't subtract this first. Okay, we have to follow this board mass. ब्रैकेट वाला सॉल्व हो गया. देन वी हैव टू चेंज दिस. डिवीजन साइन हमने कर दिया, सॉरी ऑफ को कर दिया हमने मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. देन वी विल सॉल्व दिस फर्स्ट. दिस इज 51 by 8. नाउ वी कैन ओपन द ब्रैकेट्स बाय एडिंग दिस. 4 plus 2 is 6 by 5. Check the numbers here to be cancelled. This is 6 and 8. Their GCD is 2. They can be cut in with the number of 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So what we are left with now? 21 by 4 minus 51 into 3. This cannot be cancelled with 5. And 51 is a 51 cannot be cancelled with the number 5. So we will multiply these as it is. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Here in denominator this is 20. 4 5s are 20. Now you can see the denominators here, only subtraction is left now. So we will take the LCM of 20 and 4. So what is the LCM of 4 and 20? It's 20. Okay. Least common multiple of 4 and 20 is 20. So 4 5s are 20. So we will multiply this by 5 minus 21s are 20. So this number will remain same. So our answer is 105 by 153 by 20. So its answer will be negative. Its answer will be negative because our greater number is with negative sign. So subtract this 153 minus 105. Here 153, 105 we will subtract it. 13 minus 5 is 8. 48 by 20. So this is our answer. This can be further solved. Simplest form में लिखा जा सकता है इसको. So this is 20. It can be cancelled with table of 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 12s are this, and further into mixed fraction. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So now we will solve fourth question. First of all, change all the fractions into improper fractions. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. Check the operators first. Board mass में क्या है? Here it's division. Then off. First of all, we have to change this off and then this division. This is 3 by 5. Off. We will write multiply instead of off. Plus 5 by 3. Now change this sign also to we will put brackets here to solve this properly. Okay, so this can be cancelled with this. 3 3s are 9. Okay, so was nothing. So we are left with only, we will change this division to multiplication. So this is 19 by 15. So we will take here reciprocal. So it is 15 by 19 plus 5 by 3. 19 gets cancelled with this 19. 3 gets cancelled with this 5. 3 5s are 15. So we are left with, this is only 5 by 1 plus 5 by 3. So we have to take the LCM of 1 and 3 now. So 1 and 3 LCM is 3. Divide this 3 by 1. So we are left with 3. 3 ones are 3. So we will multiply here 3. You can cross multiply here. 5 threes are 15 plus 5 ones are 5. This is 20 by 3. Now write this into mixed fraction. Divide 20 by 3 and write the quotient here. 3 6 are 18 and 2 left. So we will write remainder 2 here. So now let's move to our fifth question, which is 1 by 80 of 40. So first of all, change this off sign. There is no brackets. So we will change this off to multiplication sign. Then divide. Solve this. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 5 by 3 into 24 by 25 plus 7 by 4 minus 2 by 4. So now you can cancel this. 42s are 42s are 80. So we are left with 1 by 2 here. Change this sign to multiplication. Write the reciprocal of 5 by 3 now. Then 24 by 5 plus this is 7 by 4 minus 2 by 4. इसको हम यहीं पे solve कर सकते हैं. This can be solved here. Okay. So what is left now? This is 1 into 3 into 12 in numerator and 1 into 5 into 25 in denominator. So we will multiply this 12 into 3. This is 12 into 3 is 36, and in denominator this is 5 into 25. So we will write 5 into 25 is 125 plus next term as it is 7 by, this is 7 by 4 minus 2 by 4. Denominator is same. So we will write 7 minus 2. So I will write here 7 minus 2 by 4. Denominator दोनों का same है. Then we can subtract the numerators as it is. So this is equal to 36 by 125 plus 5 by 4. Now we will take the LCM of 125 and 4. So there is no common factor between 125 and 4. So we will multiply these denominators to find LCM. So their LCM is 125 into 4. So which is equal to 500. 125 into 2 is 250. So double of 250. This is 500. So we will cross multiply here. So you can see the LCM is the product of denominator. So we can cross multiply the numbers here. So which is equal to 36 into 4 plus 5 into 125. So we will solve this now. So 36 into 4 is equal to 6 2s are 24, 12 to 14, 1 plus this is 625 and by 500, which is equal to 549, 426, 1617. This is 500. So we will write it into mixed fraction as its numerator is greater than denominator. So divide करेंगे इसको. This is 5 ones of 500 से हो जाएगा पूरा. Then 269 will be its remainder. So this was our fifth question. Now our sixth question is, this is 3 by 5 of means multiply. Change this multiplication to, we will change this later. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 3 is 8 by 5 plus 5 of, this is again off sign, minus 2. So we are putting brackets here, so there not be any confusion in this and this. Okay, so we will put here brackets. 5 9s are 45. So we are left with only 9 3s are 27. Then change, now you can change the sign. 5 by 8 plus this can be cancelled. So we are left with only 3 minus 2. So what is left now? In 27 into 5. 5 7 5s are 35. 3 5 2s are 10. 3 13 by 8 plus 3 minus 2 is 1. And now we can take the LCM of this. LCM is 8. We will cross multiply this. plus 8, so we are left with 143 by 8. Now this can be written into the mixed fraction. 8 ones are, you can divide it like this. If you don't know how to write in mixed fractions, divide 143 by 8. 8 ones are 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. 8 sevens are 56. 8 8s are 64. If we are doing 8 8s are 64, then 64 is greater than 63, so we will take 8 sevens are 56. Now what is left? 7. So we will write the quotient here and remainder here. Okay, so this is our 7th question now. So which is 7 by 20. Now first of all you have to take the LCM of these numbers given inside. Plus 7 2s are 14, 3 17. 7 to 14, 3 17 by 2 minus 2 by 3, 7 by 20. Minus division sign. Take the LCM of these two terms and cross multiply the terms. 2 plus 17, 5s are 85. Okay, now minus 2 by 3, so this is 7 by 20. Then change this sign to, this is 87 by 10. Change by sign, this can be written as 10 by 87 minus 2 by 3. Now this can be cancelled. 10 2s are, and 87 doesn't occur in the table of 7, so we will write multiplication of these two. 87 into 2 is 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 1 17 minus 2 by 3. Now take the LCM of 174 and 3. So 174 is multiple of 3, so LCM is 174. So divide this denominator by LCM. 174 174 1, so multiply 7 into 1 minus divide 174 by 3, so 3 5s are 15, 2 24, 3 8s are 24. Multiply this numerator is equal to 7 minus 116 by 174. So our greater number is with negative sign, so our answer will be negative, so minus it. 16 minus 7 is 9, so our answer is minus 109 by 174. So this was our 7th question. Now we will do 8th question. We will do fast now. So 5 plus, this is curly bracket. We will have to write this bracket as it is. First of all we have to solve these small brackets inside. Plus 2 by 9 into LCM 4 and 12. 12. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. Minus 12 1s are 12. So 1 will remain same. Now this is 5 plus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 9. Multiply by 5 3s are 15 minus 1 14 by 12. हो गया, small bracket is solved. Now we have to solve these terms here. These can be cancelled here. Can be cancelled. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 2 7s are 14. So what is left now? So we are left with, this is 1 by 3. This is plus sign here. So we will multiply this numerator. 7 1s are 7 and denominators 27. Now 5 plus LCM of these numbers is 27. Okay, so 27 is a multiple of 3. So 3 9s are 27. We will multiply here by 9 1s are 9 plus 27 1 आया divide करके, then we will multiply 1 here. 7 will remain same. So we are left with 1 plus 9 plus 7 is 16 by 27. Now take the LCM again here, 27. Now we can cross multiply here. We can cross multiply here only when LCM is the product of denominators. Okay, so 27 into 5 is 7 5s are 35. 3 is 13 plus 16. So this is 151. 1 5 1 by 27. This can also be written in the form of mixed fraction. You can divide it. Now let's move to 9th question, which is 15 plus, change this mixed fraction into improper. 9 by 2 plus 3 by 5. Of means multiply by 1 by 1000. So this is 15 plus, take the LCM of these numbers. 2 5s are 10, cross multiply. Here product of denominators is our LCM, so we will write 9 5s are 45 plus 3 2s are 6 into 1 by 1000. So we will write 15 plus 51 by 10 into 1 by 1000. Now we will multiply here 51 by 10 into 1 by 1000. If there were a brackets, अगर यहाँ पे bracket होती, if there was a bracket like this, ऐसे होता, then we have to first solve this 15 also. इसको हमने 15 में add करना था, then we have to take the of 1 by 1000. Okay, so we will do it now. So this is 15 plus 51 by multiply करेंगे इनको, then this is 1 0, this is 10,000. Now we will take the LCM. Here 10,000, then cross multiply 15, then 4 zeros plus 51. Now we will add this number, 15 0 0 5 1 by 10,000. This can also be written in the form of mixed fraction. You can divide it. Now we are left with small. Last question is 3 by 8 plus 2 by 4 board mass. You have to remember the thing board mass. Here you will divide first. Okay, this is division sign. Change this into multiplication sign. It is 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 plus 7 minus 2. So cancel हो रहा है कुछ? Yes, 2 2s are 4. This 2 can also be cancelled. ये 2 2 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So we are left with 3 by 8 plus numerators check कर सकते हैं 1 1 1. So this is 1 and denominators 2 and 3 6 plus 7 minus 2 is 5. Now take the LCM of these three numbers 8 6 1 and 8 and 6. What is the LCM of 8 and 6? LCM of 6 and 8, some of the students think that it is 48, product of 6 and 8. But we can't, LCM is least common multiple. दोनों का multiple होना चाहिए and सबसे छोटा होना चाहिए. Means other than 48, is there any number that occur in the table of 8 and 6 before this? ठीक है ना, smaller than this. If you don't know, then you can find out LCM by this method. There is another number that is 24, and 24 occur in the table of 8 also and 6 also. So LCM is 24. 8 3s are 24, 3 3s are 9 plus 6 4s are 24, 4 1s are 4 plus 24 24 into 5 is 120. Okay, 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 120 by 24. So this is, add here 13, so we will write 3. 3 plus 0 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1. We have to add the numbers according to ones place, then tens place digits, then 100 place digits. So this is 24. You can divide this like this, then write this into the mixed fraction. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and share it for more videos. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.